Hi everybody, my name's Silao Kalani Barber. For those of y'all who don't know me, I'm the second born grandchild, Kalani's first son, and I'm 16 years old. Um, Today we're here to celebrate my grandfather's passing and his life. I remember the last time I seen him, it was 2014, about 7 years ago. I remember the night we came in from the airport. We went to Kula and he was up all night with my grandma waiting for us to come. He was so excited and happy that we had finally come in, and he made sure that we felt love and comfort. Grandpa was one of the hardest working people I've ever known. No matter how old he was, he woke up every day, do for hours, walk up that hill to go to work, come down, and he always gave us money to make sure that we always had snacks, our favorite snacks from the store. And he always reminded us to never forget his Monte Carlo cookies. That was his favorite. And I remember he made sure that we never starved. And when he came home for lunch, he'd eat nothing but tuna sandwiches and salmini. And then he'd walk upstairs to his bed before he took his nap. He'd carry his little radio and make sure he listened to his music. Everywhere he went, he'd bring his little radio to listen to music. He's taught me so many things. To always put God first and my family first. And he preached it every Sunday and family prayer. I remember one time we went to church and I remember sitting next to him, and when I couldn't understand the Samoan, he would help me and he would sing with me. And then I remember he went up to the podium and he told Grandma that he was going up there to talk. And I was sitting next to Grandma, and Grandma was just making fun of his shoes. It was the same sandals he wore to work that were all brown. And man, I just remember Grandpa, he always gave everybody a chance. He always loved everybody and never treated anybody different. And those teachings, I will continue it on and pass it on down to my children when I get older. Grandpa, I miss you. And even though we can't be there today, I want you to know I love you. And Sa and Grandma, to everybody, I want to say thank you for everything, and I love y'all. Alofa aku. Miss you, Grandpa.